Valentino Rossi.
Yeah, it's good start, Lorenzo, mate. It was a shocker for Andrea. You know, he's been picked off on the run down to San Donato. What a start by Lorenzo. He's up the inside of Valentino Rossi. Lorenzo from 5th on the grid. He leads the way. Couple of crashes at the back of the field. That's Jack Miller and Loris Baz. We've also got one of the factory employees down. That was Alvaro Bautista. Danilo Petrucci running it wide through Poggio Secco. Lorenzo leads though from Rossi, from Aleix Espargaro, who got a good start. Maverick Vinales had a nightmare. Vinales from the front row, down 11th.
They plunged down through Casanova, Savelli. They come up now towards Arrabbiata 1 and Arrabbiata 2. Hoy Lorenzo, what a start from the second row of the grid. We ride with him. It's Rossi in his face. Rossi right behind us. They plunge down here. Here they are. Arrabbiata 1 up to Arrabbiata 2. That blind fast right-hander over the right. Half a lap gone.
Bradley Smith got a great start. He was up in the 4th place at one time. But real mixed starts here today. Lorenzo from 5th up into the lead. Maverick Vinales, we talked in the walk this morning about how he's going to sort his starts out. Front row to 11th place. Andrea Dovizioso's had a great first lap. He was 13th on the grid. Dovizioso already up in the 6th place.
I tell you what, Rossi will have a go at Lorenzo because he knows better than anybody. If Lorenzo gets into the rhythm at the front, he's not going to be beaten. Rossi's going to have to rough him up, and he's going to have to rough him up real quick.
He is indeed. Andrea Iannone front row to 8th place on the opening lap. Some absolute nightmare starts went on from the front row of the grid. It was Lorenzo that got an absolute flyer. Yoni Hernandez was too keen to get off the line. He's jumped the start of the Colombian. Bautista, Miller and Bautista were down in an instant at the first corner with Loris Baz.
One lap gone, here comes Valentino Rossi, 250 miles an hour, side by side into San Donato, and Rossi leads. Can you make it take off? Rossi's running wide.
He's gone out to the car park, so has Andrea Dovizioso. So many riders in the slipstream running it way too hot at San Donato. Andrea Dovizioso was one of them. Looked like Andrea Iannone also got caught out there. He did. Iannone's been passed by the 2 Pramac Ducatis. Rossi tried to take the lead into the first corner, ran well wide. Lorenzo back into the lead. Aleix Espargaro doing a great job to hold off Marc Marquez. Dani Pedrosa now up in the 5th. What about Maverick Vinales? Still down in 11th place. Iannone fell back to 10th.
Could have been worse for Rossi. I thought, as you say, he was disappearing into the car park, but he's actually kept it a pretty good distance as they come down, up, now through Arrabbiata 1 and Arrabbiata 2. 1.5 laps gone. Jump start as we see there.
Rossi now glued to the back wheel of Jorge Lorenzo. This is down into Scarperia. They'll bank it left for Pelagio. Here we go through the left-hander. Rossi momentarily sees the lead at the end of that first lap. Wasn't able to put it on the brakes into the first corner. Round in front of the Ducati grandstand. What a nightmare start it's been for the Bologna factory. Andrea Iannone is back down in 10th place. In fact, he's just been passed by Maverick Vinales. Those two started on the front row. They're 10th and 11th.
This is just where Rossi wants to be. They're going to come into Colantire that brings them onto this long, well over 1,000 metres long, 7/10 of a mile long, straight. And Rossi would just tuck in behind, and he'll try the manoeuvre again. I promise you he will, because he does not want Lorenzo to get away at the front. They're going to come side by side again. Here comes Rossi up the inside.
Can he make it stick this time around? He's got the inside line. Lorenzo leaves his braking really late. Lorenzo will come back to the apex through San Donato. No way through this time around then for Valentino Rossi. The Italian's the fastest man on the track with a 1:48.445. Dani Pedrosa 6th place. Aleix Espargaro doing a great job of holding up Marc Marquez. Marquez knows found his way through. Marquez up inside the top 3 then for the first time in this race.
It's Andrea Dovizioso leading the middle of the Ducati charge, despite being well down at the grid. But here we go again. Rossi's going to have another go. Rossi is just snapping at the heels all the time. And can't stress enough, Lorenzo wants to lead from start to finish. And Rossi knows if he lets him do that, this race is over. But he's not going to let him do it. And he's got the whole of Italy charging behind him.
Yeah, Rossi just at the moment, sat right on the coattails of Jorge Lorenzo. That gap coming down now between Rossi and Marc Marquez in that battle for third place. Dovizioso's clawed his way up into fifth. He took Dani Pedrosa last time around. Bradley Smith has just been passed by Scott Ruddy. That's a battle for seventh and eighth. It's been a shocker for Vinales, and you know, off that front row. Maverick Vinales just has got to sort out his start if he's got any hopes at fighting for wins this year. Back with Lorenzo and Rossi through Biondetti 1 and 2. Rossi's going to be closer. He might attack at the final corner on the brakes.
Vinales coming up behind Bradley Smith up the inside of Bradley Smith, and Maverick Vinales is through. Now then, let's see who's going to lead the way at the front. Same as it was before. Lorenzo absolutely brilliant on the brakes the last time round. Here comes Rossi again. Again, they're side by side. Rossi holds the advantage. Now, can he make it stick this time round? Oh, you've got to give 100 marks to Jorge Lorenzo, the way he held his nerve and his brakes there.
Demon on the brakes, Lorenzo going down into San Donato. Marc Marquez is edging ever closer to this group. And Andrea Dovizioso, there he is in fifth place, hunting down Aleix Espargaro, just been the best lap on the race so far. Dovizioso, the first rider into the 147s, 147.997. He was 4/10 of a second quicker than the race leader Jorge Lorenzo last time around. So it's concertinaing up nicely for a five-rider battle here at the front.
Where's Rossi going to try it now? He's tried now twice down at San Donato, that hasn't worked out. He's going to try it somewhere different. He is eyeing up every opportunity to get past Lorenzo. He can't get past at turn one at the moment. He's going to try it. He's going to catch us. Is he going to catch Jorge Lorenzo by surprise?
Yeah, while this is all going on, Marc Marquez is coming right back into contention. Rossi not close enough to have a look up the inside at Pelagio. Down to the Correntallo corner now. Slight downhill braking for this long sweeping right-hander. And he'll pick it up hard on the gas through Biondetti 1 and 2. Now, can Rossi get close enough on the exit to have a lunge up the inside of Lorenzo in the braking zone for the final corner, the Vicini corner? On board with Rossi.
Is he close enough? I don't think he is this time round. Into the Vicini corner, just dips away here. And then on the power, and without a doubt he will try once again, get in the slipstream, pull out. Both times he's come up the inside, perhaps he go the long way round and try the outside this time round. We are about to find out. Here he comes, and he has gone round the outside, side by side again, and Lorenzo just blocks him, and Marc Marquez just says, thank you very much, you Yamaha boys, because I am closing all the time.
The man who's charging is Andrea Dovizioso. He's picked up Aleix Espargaro now for fourth place. He'll be using all that Ducati horsepower down that start-finish straight to blast past the Suzuki, but Dovizioso then up into fourth place. Let's not forget, he started way down in 13th on the grid. Andrea, you know, he's just moved up in a 9 by Bradley Smith. It's been a home race to forget so far for the number 29. Andrea Dovizioso, he's the man on the charge. Still no way through for Rossi. Marquez closing as they drop down through Savelli.
I wonder who those fans are supporting in this sandwich here. Do you think it's Lorenzo Marquez and they're cheering on? We ride with Lorenzo. There is Valentino Rossi behind him, and you just got a glimpse of the orange Honda of Marc Marquez. This is turning out just perfectly. It's the race we wanted. It's the race the 100,000 fans here wanted. And then if it's the race the whole of Italy wanted. But we've got one hell of a MotoGP race, and there is still 18.5 laps to go. Rossi's rethinking his strategy now, isn't he? Without a doubt, he's the cleverest MotoGP rider that we've ever seen. He'll be thinking, right, we've got to do something a little bit different. And he'll be very aware now that Marquez is coming quick. Great ride by Aleix Espargaro on Suzuki.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. There's Maverick Vinales, who's trying to pick his way through from outside of the top 10. Let's not forget he started second behind Valentino Rossi. Scott Redding's having a superb ride as well. There he is on that Pramac Ducati, still keeping Vinales at bay. Dani Pedrosa from his 250th Grand Prix appearance just ahead of him. Look at the Ducati power. Go way through again for Rossi. Lorenzo's been so strong on the brakes going into the first corner. Rossi runs it out wide again. Marquez got sucked in as well too. That's brought Dovizioso back closer to the back of Marc Marquez. We're about to get a four-way fight for the lead here in Mugello. Dovizioso again last time around the quickest of this leading quartet. He was in the 147.9s again. 0.3 of a second he was quicker.